Welcome to another day of Rikoda Kondo. Starting off over here, we got a classic hot cross buns. Let's start off by reading the rhythm. Ready? Starting off from bar number 1. 3, go. Ta ah, ta ah, ta ah, rest. Now remember, when you have a minim with a dot, it's 3 beats. Ta ah. Okay? Then you got that squiggly line. That just means your rest. That means don't play anything, but you still have to count it for a beat. All right? So bar number 1 and 2, 3, go. Ta ah, ta ah, ta ah, rest. Rest. All right, let's keep it going. Let's go from bar number 1 and just keep it flowing. 3, go. Ta ah, ta ah, ta rest. Ta ah, ta ah, ta rest. Ta rest. Ta rest. Ooh, now we got something interesting over here. Now, when we have these notes that have a tail, those are called eighth notes. When it's 1/8 note, we say T. When it's 2/8 notes, we say T. Okay? Now, when we have 2/8 notes, we like doing something kind of cruel. We like tying the tails together. If you got 2 cats and you try to tie the 2 tails together, you're going to be enemy number 1. But when it comes to music, it makes things a little bit easier to read. So we got T. That's a pair of eighth notes. A pair means 2. Just like you got a pair of shoes, a pair of gloves, a pair of ears. You got 2 of them. So we have 2/8 notes tied together. And we say T. Okay? So it moves pretty fast. It goes T. Notice how my beat is staying the same. This is my beat. But I play T. So there are 2/8 notes with every beat. This is my beat. T. So I say 2 TTs for every beat when I have those eighth notes. So from bar number 7, it's going to sound like this. T, ta, then finish with a ta, ah. All right, so those eighth notes, T. All right, let's take it from bar number 1. 3, go. Ta, ah, rest. Ta, ah, rest. Ta, rest. Ta, rest. T, ta. So let's take it again from bar number 1. 3, go. Ta, ah, rest. Ta, ah, rest. Ta, rest. Ta, rest. T, ta. All right. If you haven't got the rhythm, watch it again, because it's going to be pretty tough if you ain't got the rhythm when we try to get the notes. But starting off, we got 3 notes in this whole piece. We got G's, A's, and B's. The first 3 notes are G, A, and B. All right, and we just play them according to the rhythm. And the best part is bar number 1 and 2 are exactly the same as bar number 3 and bar number 4. If you got bar number 1 and 2, you got bar number 3, 4. Come on now. Record a Kondo ain't too tough. I'm going to show these people my kung fu. What y'all talking about? All right, here we go. Starting off with bar number 1. 1, 2, 3, go. Rest. Rest. All right, just like that. First 4 bars, playing with our B, A, G. You should know those notes. I ain't gonna go through them because you know them by now. Now, bar number 5, we got the same thing. B, A, G, rest. B, A, G, rest. All right, let's go for it. 3, 2, bar number 5, let's go. Now, Bar number 7, we're gonna have our TTs on our G note. So we're gonna go T, 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 T. All right? So G, 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 A, 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 A. Then we just do the same thing. B, A, G, B, G. Let's make it practical. Let's do it. 3, go. One more time from bar number 7. T, 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 3, go. All right, let's take it bar number 7, but this time by yourself. 1, 2, 3, go. One, 2, 3, 4, cut. Pretty easy. Let's take it from the top and let's do this entire thing. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, one more time. By yourself. Rest. 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 One, 2, 3, 4, cut. All right, now one more time, but this time without the ticker, without the cursor. Let's go for it. 1, 2, 3, go. Rest. 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 One, 2, 3, 4, cut. That right there is hot cross buns. Practice it hard. See you in the next one.